What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. Uber CEO Mr. Dara recently came out and exposed the truth on why he actually took the position. Before we jump into today's video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Elite Hustle University. If you use code RIDESHAREHUB, you're going to get your first month free. They basically have 10 courses as well as an exclusive Discord member group that's going to teach you how you can make your first million utilizing the internet. If you guys haven't paid attention to all the things going on in this digital era, there are a lot of really unique ways almost anyone can make money online. That's what Elite Hustle University does. So make sure you use code use code RIDESHAREHUB. There's a link in the description below. You can check out those courses for free for your first month and take advantage of the group and everything it has to offer. So looking at that, guys, let's jump in. When Uber first approached now CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, I know that's not it, about leading the company, he ignored the call. It was 2017, the rideshare app was going through a historically difficult time. Uber was facing a litany of problems, including sexual harassment allegations, an FBI probe, and a slew of firings related to a workplace culture investigation, just to name a few. When I first got the call, my first thought was, heck no, he said. I thought, why would I ever do that? He wasn't even on the market for a new job either. He was entering his 12th year as Expedia's CEO, and he was still having a great time, he said. Looking back, he probably should have stayed. That friend that talked to him about it happened to be Daniel Ek, the founder and CEO of Spotify. The pair were catching up over cocktails at an investors conference when Ek asked if Uber had called him yet, revealing that he had recommended Dara for the CEO gig. Dara admitted that he was on the fence about joining Uber because he was happy at Expedia. Then Daniel looked at me with his cold Scandinavian eyes. Jeez, I mean, did they hook up? It sounded a little weird. And said, you know, Dara, since when is life about being happy? It's about having impact. You have to make an impact, he said. That conversation with Ek was a special moment that made Dara rethink what he wanted out of his career. Even though he was content leading Expedia, Dara realized that steering Uber, one of the most influential, fastest growing businesses at the time, through its string of crises, would allow him to have an outsized impact on the world. Following morning, Dara called the headhunter back, and in August 2017, he was announced as the new CEO after a unanimous vote from the board. Early on in his tenure at Uber, he revamped the company's cultural norms, ditching the growth at all costs. I don't think he ditched that. Ditching the growth at all costs ethos popularized by Travis Kalanick, the old CEO, and co-founder, in favor of principles like build with heart and do the right thing. What do you think, guys? Is that what you think of to this day about Uber? That they're building with heart and they're doing the right thing? While Uber continues to face challenges ranging from lawsuits to driver strikes, the company's public image and profitability has significantly improved under his leadership. So very interesting. So basically, founder of Spotify recommended him the job. I don't know. I guarantee you, like, obviously he says all that. I guarantee you he regrets leaving Expedia. I would bet anything. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out Elite Hustle University. Get access to your free courses by using code RIDESHAREHUB. Check it out, guys. Definitely worth looking into, especially as this guy keeps cutting our rates more and more and more. Stay safe out there more than anything, y'all, and stay tuned for more updates.